Are you trying to decide between Neo Financial and Wealthsimple? You're not alone. Many people wonder which one is better for managing their money. In this video, we'll compare these two popular financial tools. Both Neo Financial and Wealthsimple help you manage your finances, but they do it in different ways. Neo Financial is a digital bank that offers everyday banking services. You can open an account, earn rewards, and get a credit card. It focuses on making banking simple and rewarding for users. On the other hand, Wealthsimple is an investment platform. It helps you invest your money wisely. You can start investing with little money and they offer automated portfolios. They also have options for saving and even cryptocurrency. Now, let's look at the key differences. New Financial is all about banking and rewards, while Simple focuses on investing and growing your wealth. So, if you want a bank with perks, Neo is the way to go. If you are looking to invest, Simple is a better choice. When it comes to features, Neo Financial offers cashback rewards on purchases and a user-friendly app. Simple provides easy investment management and financial advice. Both have mobile apps, but they serve different purposes. In terms of pricing, Neo Financial usually has no monthly fees, while Wealthsimple may charge fees based on your investments. However, they also offer free options for basic investing. So, which one should you choose? If you need a banking solution with rewards, go for Neo Financial. But if investing is your goal, Wealthsimple is the better option. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.